Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning once again. What happened, Reyansh? Why are you laughing, Reyansh? Reyansh, please let us know why are you laughing. What happened? Tell me. No, please.
Ma'am, just like that.
No, not just like that. How can anybody laugh just like that? There has to be some reason behind laughing, no? Tell us, why were you laughing? Reyansh,
Ma'am, we are again back.
yes, you are back again.
Ma'am, I am not lying, ma'am. Seriously, just like that.
Just like that only. Oh, I thought there is some good reason and we all will laugh with you. But you made us sad by telling there is no reason. Okay, now are we ready to get back to our work? Or you want some reading now?
Ma'am, reading.
Reading. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let others also join. All right, they'll join by the time let's start reading. Anjali will start reading. Okay.
Ma'am, which chapter?
20 minutes reading and then last 20 minutes we are going to play some game. Okay, enough of
Okay, ma'am.
studies. Right? So,
Ma'am, which chapter are you?
Ma'am.
chapter will be 14th chapter and from the beginning. Anjali, start reading.
Ma'am, she is muted. I am finding the chapter.
Page number 90. beta.
Okay, ma'am. We have learned that the Himalayas stretch from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast of India. The highest mountain range in the world, the Himalayas consist of three parallel mountain ranges, the Himadri, the Himachal and the Shivaliks. Importance of the Himalayas. First point is the Himalayas act as a natural barrier and prevent the cold winds blowing from Central Asia to enter India. This keeps most of the states India warm even during winters. The Himalayas stop the rain-bearing monsoon winds from going further north for the northern plains receive a good amount of rainfall.
Okay, that's all. That's all, beta. Now Reyansh is going to read.
Okay. Most of the rivers that flow through the North India have their sources in the Himalayas. They are a major source of water in the basin state and also make the plains fertile. The forest of the Himalayas region have a variety of trees and is also home to many animals. These are also a source of large numbers of forest products. States and union territories of the Himalayan region. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh are the states located in the Himalayan region. Some parts of West Bengal and Assam, especially the hilly areas, are also considered a part of the Himalayan mountain range.
Okay,
Ladakh
that's
and
all. Summer.
Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir was the northmost state of India. In August 2019, the state was bifurcated into union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu is its winter capital and Srinagar is its summer capital. A number of mountain ranges pass through this region, such as the Shivaliks, the Pir Panjal range, and the mountains in Ladakh are
Kargil, Indus, Chenab, Satluj, and Jhelum are some of the important rivers of Jammu and Kashmir. The Jammu plains have a comparatively warmer climate. Ladakh experiences an extreme cold and dry climate. The mountain belt of Kashmir has very cold winters and warm summers. The vegetation of this region depends on the
Okay, that's all,
altitude,
beta.
varying from
Now Devyanshu Dev
evergreen.
is going to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Devyanshu will read the vegetation of this area.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, vegetation.
Yes.
Farming is important. Opinion, maize, rice,
Occupation,
kidney,
beta. Farming is an important occupation.
occupation, miles, rice, kidneys, beans, rajma, and vegetable are grown. Fruits such as apple, fig, plums, acarot, peaches, and cherries, as well as nuts such as walnut and almond, grow here. Saffron and
What? Anjali and Summer, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Region the attitude.
Ma'am, I want to say that today 7 students are present.
Okay. And Anjali,
Ma'am,
what
I
do you want to say?
that Devanshu is reading in the paragraph, but ma'am, the upper paragraph we have not read.
He has left. Devyanshu left 2 lines to read. The vegetation of this region depends on the altitude, varying from evergreen cedar, pine, and spruce trees in the hillsides and valleys to sparse vegetation in the Ladakh region. These 2 lines? Yes. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
continue. Devyanshu, where you are?
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, orchids, spines obtained from a flower is called grown in many parts of Kashmir. Ma'am, handcrafts, furniture, woolen and silk
Excuse me, ma'am.
crafts,
Yes.
carpets,
Chapter we are doing.
inside
Beta,
shawls,
page number 91, chapter 14.
dresses, metallic silk, saris and fabric are some of the famous products of Jammu and Kashmir. Paper mache is popular industry of the state.
All
People
right, that's
speak
all. Mehul. Now, Mehul, page number 92, you have to read. Mehul is there?
Yes, ma'am, he's in the meeting.
Yes, he is. He just asked the question. Mehul, page number 92, beta. Start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Handcrafts, furniture,
No, page number 92. People speak different languages.
Okay, ma'am. People speak different languages in different part of in the valley. Urdu and Kashmiri is spoken in most of the districts. Ma'am, what is this written?
Districts.
District Dorigi in the is a language spoken in Jammu and Ladakhi.
Dogri is a language spoken in Jammu and Ladakhi is spoken in Ladakh region.
Ladakh region. Kashmir is a popular destination for tourists. Some tourists live in houseboat on the Dal Lake and Nigin Lake. Other other place of insert locate in this region, this state. The way are the various
Are the
Devis
Vaishno Devi temple,
are the Vaishno Devi temple and what
the
is this?
Amarnath,
The Amarnath cave and the Vulcan Lake. Many Kashmiris drink a special tea called kiha. Kiva.
Eva, what is the name of the special drink of Kashmiris?
Keva.
Keva. Very
Keva.
good.
Ma'am,
Which
Keva.
language is spoken in Jammu?
Ma'am, Dogri.
Which language is spoken in Ladakh?
Kashmiri.
Ladakhi.
Which is the famous
Ladakhi.
popular industry of Kashmir?
Ma'am, paper mache.
Paper mache.
Very good. Which is the aromatic spice grown in some parts of Kashmir?
Saffron.
What?
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
saffron.
Which is the aromatic spice that is grown in some parts of Kashmir?
Ma'am,
Okay.
saffron.
In which year?
saffron.
In which year was Uttarakhand and Uttaranchal? No. In which year Uttaranchal was named Uttarakhand?
Ma'am, 2007.
2007.
November 2007.
Very good.
2007.
Okay, now read.
Which is kiva, which is made in special tea urners called
Samovars.
samovars. The most populated festival are Mahashivratri and Eid. Eid Piran Pi-
Firan is a loose
Firan?
kurta.
Piran a loose kurta for man and woman is the traditional dress of
Of
Kashmir.
Kashmir. What is the traditional dress of Kashmir?
Pirana.
ma'am.
Firan. Yes,
Pirana.
beta.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what we are doing?
We are doing reading. We are on page number
Ma'am, of which
92.
chapter?
Page number 92, Himachal Pradesh. Okay, now Pratyusha sing. Start with Himachal Pradesh.
Shimla is the state capital of Himachal Pradesh. The river Chenab, Sutlej, Bees, and Ravi flow through this state. The hilly regions are very cold and experience snowfall in the winters. The summer are pleasant. Coniferous trees such as spruce, pine, deodar, and ferns from the natural vegetation of the region. A variety of fruits like apple, pears, plums, cherries, apricots, and peaches are grown here in orchards. Maize, barley, rice, and vegetables are also grown in the terraced hillside.
Hillsides. All right. Now again, summer is going to continue. Ridyansh, we are doing reading on page number 92. Himachal is famous for its Kullu shawls. Summer.
Himachal is famous for its kullu shawls, waistcoats, and caps with colorful woven borders and motifs. The most important festival of the region is Dashera. People speak Hindi, Punjabi, Kinnauri, and Pahari. Long robes, shawls, and scarves are the traditional clothes for women. Men wear kurta pajamas, jackets, and Himachali caps. Shimla, Kullu, Manali, and Dalhousie are very popular holiday destinations for tourists.
Very good. Yes,
Uttarakhand.
Anjali. Anjali, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, now summer was eating the most important festival of the region in Dussehra. And ma'am, upper day second, the most popular festival are Mahashivratri and Eid. Ma'am, what is the difference between?
Beta, Mahashivratri and Eid are famous festivals of Jammu and Kashmir. And here, Dussehra is the famous festival of Himachal Pradesh. Okay?
Sorry, ma'am.
There we are talking about Kashmir. Here we are talking about Himachal Pradesh. Now you have to remember, each one of you, Dussehra is the famous festival of which state?
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh.
And Himachal Pradesh.
Very good.
And then Mahashivratri and Eid are the famous festivals of Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir. Now Ridyansh. Ridyansh, hurry up and finish off Uttarakhand. Hurry up and read it, and then we are going to play a game after finishing this chapter.
Uttarakhand is located on the southern side of Himalaya range. Dehradun is the capital city. This state became the 27th state of India in November 2000 and was called Uttaranchal. It was later renamed as Uttarakhand in 2007. The highest region of Uttarakhand are covered with snow and glacier. The Gangotri Glacier, which is the source of the river Ganga, and the Yamunotri Glacier, which is the source of the river Yamuna, are both located in the state. The climate varies according the elevation from very cold higher regions with snowfall to lower regions which have a pleasant climate. The highest region have evergreen trees such as pine, spruce, oak, cedar, and chestnut. The lower region have sal, teak, shisham, and dhak. Pal. Ma'am, what is written?
It is called Palash. After Palash is it's rhododendron.
Rhododendron trees are also common. Ma'am, next paragraph.
Is anybody left to read?
Ma'am,
Okay,
Oh,
Om, hurry up and
Magdanwal.
finish off the last two paras. Hurry up. Start, Om.
in the hilly region, magazine barrel
Maize, barley. Yes, Om, why are you raising your hand?
Ma'am, there is some phone.
In
Call
the
come.
hilly. Okay, phone call. You attend the phone call. Reyansh will read it.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes. Om, what? Are you ready to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
The hilly region, magazine barley and rice are grown on territorial fields. Fruits are also grown in some region. People speak Hindi, Komani, Gaharvi, and other Pahari language. Located handcrafts are made of wood. Tourism is very important industry in Uttarakhand. There are many pilgrimage.
There are many
like
pilgrimage sites.
pilgrimage sites like Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, and Himkund Sahabir hill station like Ranikhet,
Ranikhet,
Ranikhet, Nainital, Mansuri, Auli, and the Valley of Flower are populated tourist attraction.
beta popular tourist attractions. Okay.
Popular tourist attraction. Okay, ma'am.
attractions. All right. So finished with the reading of this chapter. Now let's play a game. The game is, I will call out a page number. Okay. I will call out a page number. Suppose I call out page number 104. All right. Now, from that page, I will say paragraph number 2. Okay, paragraph 2, and I will raise a question. You have to find the answer from this particular paragraph and type the answer in the chat box. Okay?
Ma'am, you will tell the
privately.
on personal.
No, we will send the answer to everyone. Or you can also send the answer privately.
No, ma'am, we want to send to everyone.
All right, send it to everyone so that you can see that who has sent it first and who is the winner. Okay, suppose now the game begins from here only. 104 page number, paragraph 2. Now my question is, what is hub? What is hub?
Ma'am, I got it.
So hurry up and write it. Hurry up and write the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a hub? Very nice. Reyansh is the first one to answer. Very nice. Divyanshu is the second one. No, but Divyanshu, it is not the correct answer, beta.
Ma'am, send it.
Pratyusha Singh is the second one to answer. Summer, okay. One by one, each one of you will answer. No problem if you answer it late, because you are little children, it takes time to type. Ridyansh, Anjali.
Ma'am, please.
No, Anjali, the question was, what is a hub? Hub is what? See, look at the bottom of the page. Center or the most important part of a place. It is the center of a place, center or city,
Ma'am,
the main city. The,
Ma'am, but it is written Gurgaon, which is an important industry.
okay, so they have written that Gurugram is an important industrial hub of India, situated in this state. So they have told that it is an important hub. Now the question is, what is a hub? Hub is the most important place, the most important part of a place.
But
Okay.
ma'am, you said that we have to find the answer from that paragraph
So
only.
beta, the word is given there only, na. Pratyusha also found it, Reyansh also found it, and Summer
and
also
I
found it.
found the answer.
All right, this game I think is little difficult for you people. Is it? Shall I change the game?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
All
you
right.
should change the game in.
Okay, I'll change the game.
Ma'am.
I will change the game. All right. On a particular
Then
page
first
number.
you will-
Okay. Now the game is, everybody. The game is page number 85 and the word is Aravali. Where is it written? Page number 85, Aravali. No, I will not tell the paragraph.
Ma'am, I got.
Then write it. Hurry up and write it. Which paragraph, which line, which word? Hurry up and tell me.
Ma'am, got it.
Got it? Then write it.
Ma'am, what is page spell again?
85 page number.
I'm sent.
Okay. Very nice. So Ridyansh is the first one to answer. Ridyansh, now you are the winner. Next question Ridyansh will put up. And even I will play this game. Even I am going to type the answer in the chat box. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ridyansh,
Okay,
next
ma'am.
question is from your side. Hurry up.
Okay, ma'am. Page number 79, the hilly region. Oh, the hilly
What?
region and
Page number?
ma'am, can I tell the line?
No, don't
And
tell
the-
the line. You just have to tell one word.
Page number. What is the page number?
Page number
Ma'am, page
79.
number 70,
Tell us the word.
79. Thorny scrub.
Thorny scrub. I have sent it to Om Agarwal by mistake.
Ma'am, got it.
Yes, Anjali won
Yes,
because I sent
yes,
it to
ma'am.
Om Agarwal.
Ma'am, I also got.
Anjali, but your answer? Second para, you are saying paragraph 2, line 12.
Ma'am,
No, Anjali?
ma'am, there is a hilly region
Ma'am,
written.
Ma'am,
Last line of the second paragraph. Ma'am, you are the winner.
Anjali, where on line 12? I can't see.
Ma'am, the line.
ma'am, the perennial plateau.
Hilly regions are cooler than the plains.
Last line.
Leaf trees are found in some regions.
Okay, Ridyansh, who is the winner?
Ma'am, Anjali.
Anjali is the winner. All right, very good. Anjali, your question next.
Ma'am, my question is page number 62. The word is earth.
Earth.
Ma'am, got it. Ma'am, it is easy. Ma'am, what you have written? IST line.
I have written first line, sixth word. First line, sixth word.
Ma'am, I have written paragraph 1, first line.
I have written first line.
देखो
sixth
पूछिए
word.
कि कहाँ है अर्थ कहाँ लिखा हुआ है। ये देखो लिखा है फर्स्ट लाइन में 1 2 3 4 5 6 वर्ड है ना, वही पूछ।
Ma'am, who was this?
Okay, next. Who is the winner? Anjali?
Ma'am, you.
I am the winner. Okay. All right. Now, children, page number. Now, I'm going to give you a very difficult one. Just wait and watch. Huh? Wait and
No, ma'am.
yes. Okay. Page number 89, the word is dot. D-O-T dot. Page number 89.
Ma'am, I got.
Write it. Hurry up, Devyanshu. You have to win. Yes. Devyanshu is the winner. Devyanshu is the winner. Very good. Very good. Oh, yes. Devyanshu actually won. Very nice. In
Am I also
enjoy
found?
second line. Very good, Devyanshu. Second line, seventh word. Very good, Vedant. Very nice.
Ma'am, here.
Ridyansh, and who else? All others now. Very good. Now, Devyanshu, you are going to tell us.
Ma'am, the page number is 91 and ma'am, the question is ma'am little.
Little.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, where is little? Let me see, little. I can't find this little. Has anyone found little?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, you don't tell. Let others see
Ma'am,
where
I
this. You found? My God, I'm not finding. In
Ma'am,
my
I also could not find.
Devyanshu, are you sure the word is little?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, where is this word?
Ma'am, I write.
You have
Ma'am,
written
Rehan
also.
is the winner.
Ma'am, I don't have.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Rehan
please
is the
see.
winner.
Ma'am, in paper message, the last word is little.
Oh
Ma'am,
yes.
there are
Yes, the last word of the page is little. Very nice. The meaning of sparse. Who is the winner?
Ma'am, Rehan.
Rehan. Yes. Last line of the. No, it's Vedant who answered before him.
Yes, ma'am.
Who answered
ma'am.
first? Is it
ma'am.
Vedant or is it
Ma'am,
Rehansh?
Ma'am, Vedant, I think.
Vedant
Yes,
answered
ma'am.
it first.
Vedant.
So Vedant is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
winner. Very good, Vedant. Now, Vedant, your question.
Yes.
तो देखो पेज नंबर 85 बोलो
Vedant, tell us the page number.
Streams.
Huh?
Page number 80.
We can't hear you.
Page number 85.
Page number
Streams.
85. Yes. And what is the word?
Streams.
Huh?
Streams.
Streams.
Page number 85. Streams.
Is the word streams or stream?
Ma'am, I'll send the answer.
Beta, the word is not clean. The word is streams.
मैंने ही कहा था.
Streams, okay.
Ma'am, I'll send the answer first.
Vedant, you have to tell us the word is stream or streams.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Plural है या singular है? Tell us this.
Ma'am, he's right in the chat box. Ma'am, plural.
Singular.
Singular. See, the word is in singular.
Ma'am, he asked like I ask.
Ma'am, I found.
Who is the winner now? Vedant, you have to tell us the winner. And then the winner has to tell the new page, new word.
बेटा इसमें
Pratyusha Singh.
पतला है
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो
Ma'am, Om.
Yes?
Ma'am, Om.
Om, very nice.
No, ma'am. No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Pratyusha.
Pratyusha.
answer it.
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I didn't
Ma'am,
answer.
Pratyusha.
second one. Ma'am, first one that I asked. Ma'am, Om test.
No, ma'am, Vedant.
I write by mistake.
Children, what was the word? What are you fighting for?
Pratyusha. Ma'am, Pratyusha is the winner.
Pratyusha is the winner of which word?
Ma'am, Steve.
Stream.
Streams. Streams. Second para, 7th line. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Now say. Okay, nobody is the winner. I will tell the next word, next page. Nobody is the winner of this round. Page number 95, and the word is crumple.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Page number 95, the word is crumple. Now everybody
got
type in the chat box very clearly. Then I will decide who is the winner.
Ma'am, by mistake, I raised my hand. Ma'am, saying. Ma'am, Vidyansh first.
Ma'am, Rehansh is.
Yes. Now who is the winner? The winner is last second line. There are so many messages now. It is so confusing to see who the winner is. Who messaged before Anjali Saxena?
Ma'am, Rehansh.
Ridyansh. Methods and second line, first word. So Ridyansh is the winner. Yes. Now Ridyansh, very less time is left. So last word should come from your side.
Ma'am, page number 77. Tourist visit. Tourist visit.
Please say it again.
Tourist visit. Ma'am, Rehansh.
No, I am the winner. I have sent first.
The winner.
Rehansh.
No, I.
Ma'am is the winner. Ma'am, you are the winner.
The winner.
No, beta, Rehansh answered it before me. Rehansh is the winner. Second
Yes,
para,
ma'am.
fifth
Ma'am,
line.
I answered before Rehansh.
Okay, you answered before Rehansh.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mine is Rehansh first.
In my computer also, it's Rehansh who came first.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in mine
my
there
also.
also. It's Rehansh first.
Ma'am, but in my, it is
No,
very
Om, then
funny.
you have to, abide by what others are saying. So many people can't say it wrong now. So Rehansh is the winner. Okay, children, now there is no time left. So let's end the class here only. There is no point giving another word.